Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Battle.net connection and server issues. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to just press Windows and A key, and then you just need to write CMD. And after you do so, you should get this little window here, and here you just need to write /IP ipconfig /flush DNS, right? And after you successfully flush DNS, you need to try Battle.net, and if the problem persists, you just need to go to your internet here on the bottom right, then go to network and internet settings here, and after you just need to go to advanced network settings, and then you just need to go to more network adapter options here, and simply just disable for a bit, and then for a few seconds, and then enable again. And if the problem persists, then you just need to change your DNS server addresses to Google. You just need to go to properties here, and then you need to just click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then press use the following DNS server addresses here, and you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server addresses, DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4, and then press apply and OK, and the problem should be fixed. Right, that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.